So if we look at this first example, okay, here we're just plotting points. So again, not going to talk a whole lot about that, but if we identify 0, we have two negative numbers and two positives. So they're both in between -2 and +2. So if we kind of set up our graph to look like this, we can plot 3/2 is halfway between 1 and 2. -2/3 is between 0 and -1. +2/3. And then finally -3/2 between -1 and -2. And so those would be your points just plotted. And shouldn't be a big issue with that. The next one is an inequality form. And so if you have an inequality form, you plot your critical number, which is -5. You want all the values of x that are greater than or equal to this. So greater than is to the right. Equal to means we're going to use what kind of grouping symbol? Bracket, right? And now, again, the easiest thing to remember if you do have difficulty remember which is which, if I took this marking right here at -5, and I know that it's equal to, I'm just going to draw an equal, and the equal creates that bracket there, right? All right, and it's opening to the right. All right, finally, our interval notation, we have a lower bound of -10 and an upper bound of -1. And we want all the values that are between it. It's this bounded interval, so we're looking at all the values between these. -10 is not included, so it's a parentheses. -1 is included, it's a bracket. So that would be our graph.